My name is Frantisek and I'm from Czech Republic originally. First came to KL and to do the full stack bootcamp with the Next Academy. So I was studying business. I was a student, so I didn't really have like a previous sort of related work experience. But sort of since high school and through university, I was interested in finance, and eventually at some point I wanted to analyze some data, and so I started learning Python. And then I kind of got into web design, and I did a bunch of online courses. And like at the end of my degree, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I was kind of confused, and so I figured, okay, maybe I'll do programming. It seems very nice. It's very creative and it's fun. I enjoy it, and so I decided to come over to Malaysia. And yeah, things turned out quite well. I was usually using courses maybe from like a Coursera, where you also kind of get like a certificate and you feel kind of accomplished, and you can kind of track your progress and all that. And I did some modules at my university as well. But the problem there was that a lot of it was just sort of general computer science modules, and no one ever focuses on like the correct way to write code and to structure code and like the sort of good programming practices in general. So I think that's something that the bootcamp definitely gives you. I think I really like the sort of teaching style. So I'm very much kind of like a hands-on person. I like to just go out and try things, and there was a lot of emphasis on individual learnings, which I think is very useful, because of course then when you actually go and get a job, it really is important that you actually go out and you are able to solve the problems on your own, which I think we are very much encouraged to do. Certainly the whole like cultural experience and like very diverse group of students. I mean, we had very like all kinds of people in my batch, people from New Zealand and from the US, and like there were students, they were, businessmen, I think one of them was like an ex-hedge fund manager, or like very, very diverse group of people. So I think it was a really cool experience as well. Yeah, I thought it was very positive. So I actually applied for some jobs during my bootcamp here with you guys, and I actually did get like 2 job offers or something, which was really nice. But then at the end of the bootcamp, I was just looking at for jobs in like Europe, in London, and so on. I came across this company called Exponia, and I thought I was a very good fit for the role. So I applied for the job, and literally my last day in Asia, before like the last night before I was flying back to Europe, I got my job. I had my final interview and I got the job. And I've been there since, so it's been like a year basically. So it was great, it's great. I think it's a very enriching experience. Like, you will learn a lot. You will certainly expand your cultural horizons, and you'll get incredibly high return on your invested capital.